Good morning, class. Sorry this video is just getting out. The test came up really quick. Okay, test 19. So you'll want to have the test next to you, so pause the video and then you can get it out and hit play. Okay, number 1, the probability of rolling an even number. So what are the even numbers? Put that over 6, reduce. Okay, number 2, median number. Also, you have your reference guide, so make sure you click on the reference guide if you want that. It's along with your test. Median number is when you put the numbers from least to greatest, and it's the middle number. Number 3, how many pieces are there? How many pieces are shaded? And you need to put it in a percent. Do not give me a decimal. Do not, well, I guess you wouldn't give me a decimal. Okay. Don't give me a fraction. That's what I meant to say. No fraction. I need a percent sign. Number 4, how many faces, how many edges? Number 5, area. Area is base times height divided by 2. Make sure you label correctly. Number 6, you should be able to look at the triangle and tell me which triangle it is. 7. Okay, we've been having problems with these. Okay, the first thing you do is exponents and square roots. So what's the first thing we do here would be 2 to the squared, okay? After that, you're going to do your parentheses. You do parentheses around multiplying and dividing first. So make sure you write it, put parentheses, and then you should be able to get the correct answer. Number 8, when we multiply fractions, mixed numbers, we have to make them improper fractions. So make sure you make 8 an improper fraction when you multiply. Number 9, you will cross multiply. Number 10, okay, find the square root of 4 squared minus the square root of 16. 11, the parentheses means to multiply. So you're going to multiply and then divide by 20. 12, what number is 5/8 of 56? So you have your ratio box, you have 5 over 8, and then you have x over 56. Number 13, you need to watch your decimals. And make sure you do not forget the 6 minus. Some of you just did the parentheses and then we're done, and you forgot to do 6 minus what was in the parentheses. Number 14, 4 divided by 0.5. Okay, which one is in the box? 4 divided by 0.5. And we do not divide by 0.5, so what do we need to do with the decimal? And since there's a decimal in the problem, there needs to be a decimal in the answer. Do not give me a mixed number, give me a decimal. 15, whenever you add and subtract mixed numbers, all you do is make a common denominator, leave the whole numbers alone, add them up. Do not forget to add the whole numbers to your fraction that you have. For 6, the same thing, common denominators. You're going to have to take away from the whole number 3. So hopefully you know how to take away from the whole number 3 and add that fraction to the 1/3. 17. Okay. We need to make them an improper fraction and multiply by the reciprocal. So feel free to write out the problem first and then multiply by the reciprocal. Remember, we're always making them back into mixed numbers and always reducing. Number 18, okay, you can do this 2 ways. You can do 1 divided by 3 and get a mixed number, or you can do 1/3 times 100, which gives you 100 divided by 3. Remember, mixed number and a percent sign. 19, 3 point something. 3/4 turns to what as a decimal? Then add it to 1.5. Okay, watch your decimals, give me the sum. Number 20, you will make this square and then count how many squares are in there. Okay, label it as units. Okay, good luck you guys, take your time. Please show your work. show your work. They want you to show work. You're getting credit for showing your work. So please show your work. Slow down. Check your work. Make sure you're getting the correct label, decimal or fraction or number or, okay? Awesome. Good luck, you guys. Okay. Bye-bye.